Welcome to a transformative journey in color grading. In this tutorial, we'll dive into the art of creating your own custom LUTs in DaVinci Resolve. LUTs, lookup tables, are powerful tools that can elevate your color grading, allowing you to apply consistent signature looks to your footage with just a click. Whether you are aiming for a cinematic feel, a vibrant or a vintage vibe, learning to craft your own LUT will help you to unlock endless creative possibilities. Let's get started designing the perfect LUT to make your video stand out. And if you are new to this channel, ensure you subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you can get notifications for my future posts. So let's dive right into DaVinci Resolve. And these are some of the tutorials that I have made, and we'll be creating our own custom looks with all these previous grades that we have been able to make, some of the older tutorials that we've done. Whether you are taking your project now to Premiere Pro, or you want to send it to someone to help you to work on, or if you want to sell your LUT as well, you want to sell your look field to people, this is just how every YouTuber or every creative person out there, this is how they make their own this is how they make their own LUT for sales or for whatever use. So come directly to your color panel, that's your color page, and then click on the project that you have graded already. So for this, we'll be making maybe like 3 or 2 look. So you can see that I have color corrected this and I have made my feel for it. This was even one of the tutorials that we did in our previous tutorial. So to make a LUT from this, just come here and you right click, and then you come to generate LUT, and then you click on 65 point cube, and then you tap on it. So then you can just export to whichever folder that you want to export it to. So I've made a folder for my LUT folder, and I am going to rename this to vintage look, and I would save this. So if I'm going to this folder automatically now, you can see it now, vintage look, and you can just rename it perfectly to the way you want it to be, vintage look. So I'll create few more look, and that's just going to be the end for this tutorial. So I'll be creating another vibrant grade. So let's say this is another grade that we've worked on now, and you just want to make a LUT with this. So this is just what I will do now. I'll come here as well, and I'll come to generate LUT again, and I'll click on 65 point cube, and I will name it as, let me say, two ladies walking. And don't forget that you can always customize whatever name you want to give to your LUT. It helps you to be able to get your LUT easily, so you can always find them. All right, this is fine already. So that is just how to create your own custom LUTs. If you are new to this channel, ensure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and ensure you hit the notification button so that you get a notification for every post. So thank you. Until next time, keep crafting those stunning visuals, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks.